Look it, they gave you a free license plate.
Oh, dude, pop that on right now. Put it on the front. I just wanted to like frame my my Infiniti grill. Install done. All right, thanks guys for showing up for the video. Really appreciate it. That's install easy.
That's how you install your exhaust.
That's easy install.
Today, your boy is installing a, I wouldn't say an exhaust, but mufflers on a G37S. Don't forget the S. Colin, you should tell us a little bit about your new car right here.
Okay, sure. I'll give you a little walk around. So this is a 2008 Infiniti G37S. We got what is 50 Cent. Actually, when he references, he's talking about 22s and his hit single "In the Club." He's actually talking about a 2008 Infiniti G37S. It's a little weird because that song came out in 01. That he would be talking about a 2008 Infiniti G37S, but just the way it goes. If you want to hop inside, you got full leather interior. Because it is the sport model, we got the paddle shifters in there.
Something's wrong with the car.
What's wrong with the car? Oh,
It's automatic. Before the exhaust install, sound clip. I don't know, it sounds rattly, huh? I think I know your problem.
what's up?
You bought an Infiniti.
Oh, yeah, that was funny the first time, Randy, but after a little while, it gets a little annoying. So we didn't have WD-40.
I just thought you should know.
Your block is still open.
Okay, I got a copious amount.
Thanks, JP. We took some of your lube from your bedroom, and the it's like cold too.
Yeah, I'm kind of tingling right now, all over my body, got little goosebumps. All right, so after about maybe like a 45 minutes of fun.
I'll do like the SpongeBob 20 minutes.
20 minutes later.
Now we got nothing on it, or like I guess no mufflers on it. We just took the muffler off.
Let's hear what it sounds like before, or I guess the transition.
Transitional
Yep.
sound. Okay, there you go.
Getting some crackles and some pops in there. Just like that cereal.
Snap, crackle, pop! Alright, let's put on the actual exhaust.
Yep, now we gotta get this on. And we will be right back with that one.
Definitely a lot more girth on the exhaust tips for this one. They're both the stock. Stock one's a little dirty too. Dude, I think it's installed. Finishing touches on the exhaust. Got some pretty dirty hands, or pretty
Dirty boys.